Have you ever noticed how some people drain your energy, control your mood, and leave you feeling exhausted after every conversation? It could be a friend, a coworker, a relative, maybe someone you actually care about. But here's the truth nobody talks about. Toxic people don't just disappear because you confront them. They disappear when you change one powerful habit. And once you do this, the people who were secretly using you, disrespecting you, or manipulating you, will walk out of your life on their own. Today, I'm going to break down exactly what that habit is, how to do it, and why it works like magic. So stay till the end, because the last part is the one most people ignore. But it's the part that creates the biggest transformation. The real reason toxic people stay in your life. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Toxic people don't stay because they're strong. They stay because you allow it, usually without realizing. And no, this doesn't mean you're weak. It means you're human. Good people often make 3 mistakes. 1. You try to fix them. You see their potential, not their patterns. 2. You over-explain yourself. Every time they're upset, you justify every little thing. 3. You avoid saying no, because you don't want conflict or drama. But toxic people love this. Why? Because it gives them control. Control over your emotions, your time, your reactions, and even your self-worth. But here's where things change. Part 2: the one habit that makes toxic people disappear. So what is this habit? Calm, consistent boundaries. Not emotional arguments. Not dramatic exits. Not long speeches explaining how they hurt you. Just quiet boundaries. When you start saying no confidently, responding slower, not reacting emotionally, not explaining every decision, protecting your time, choosing peace instead of chaos, something powerful happens. Toxic people lose their power. They can't control you. They can't trigger you. They can't guilt trip you. They can't drain you the way they used to. You become unpredictable to them. And toxic people hate that. Part 3: what happens when you change this habit? Here's the interesting part. You don't have to block them. You don't have to fight them. You don't have to cut them off. They cut themselves off. Here's what starts happening. 1. They pull away. Because you're no longer easy to manipulate. 2. They stop calling or texting. Because your energy no longer satisfies their need for drama. 3. They get annoyed with your calmness. Toxic people want reaction, you're giving silence. 4. They replace you with someone else. Because toxic people always need a supply. And finally, 5. They disappear. Not because you pushed them away, but because your peace starves their chaos. This is the beauty of quiet boundaries. You don't lose anything, but you gain your entire life back. Part 4: how to actually apply this, practical steps. Here are real strategies you can start using today. Step 1: control your reaction. Toxic people thrive on emotional responses. The calmer you are, the faster they fade. Take a breath before replying. Don't match their tone. Keep your answers short. Step 2: start saying no without explaining. Don't give reasons. Don't justify. Just say, I can't. I'm not available. That doesn't work for me. Your no is a complete sentence. Step 3: limit your availability. Not instantly replying is also a boundary. Wait. Take your time. Prioritize your schedule, not theirs. Step 4: stop fixing their problems. Toxic people love when you take responsibility for their mistakes. Start saying, I hope it works out. I'm sure you'll figure it out. No solutions, no advice, no emotional labor. Step 5: protect your peace above everything. Finally, understand this. Your time, energy, and mental health are not negotiable. When you start valuing them, toxic people feel it, and they naturally move out of your life. Part 5: why this works, the psychology behind it. Psychologists say toxic people need 3 things: drama, control, reaction. Take these 3 away, and you remove their entire psychological reward system. When you stop feeding their ego, they feel bored, uncomfortable, powerless, exposed. And toxic people hate feeling powerless. So instead of changing, they simply leave. This is why boundaries aren't just strong, they're powerful. Final message. If you want toxic people to disappear from your life, you don't need to fight them. You don't need to chase them. You don't need to fix them. Just do this one thing. Set calm, consistent boundaries. Change your energy. And watch who stays. And who quietly walks away. Because the right people are attracted to your peace. And the wrong people are threatened by it.